Hello, fellow Pyros. This is Gravity 184 here with the first stash update of the 2020 season. I'm not going to hold y'all too much longer. Let's get into it right now. Got two little bags of goodies over here. Gonna start off with some. Got some 200 grammars, some added again, little 9-shotters, which is pretty cool. I got me 4 of them in the bag. Also got some single parachutes from Black Cat, which is pretty nice. Some fun little kickers, mid-showers and sparks. Nothing too bad about that. Some more added again. And another added again. We also got 2 boxes of the Super Magnum with 12 with tail Arsenal shell kit, which is pretty nice. Sweet. Really do like those a lot. I've been seeing those all over. Nice big breaks. We also have another bag of some miscellaneous hidden gems. Some 200 grammars. We got ourselves some Clown brand. You can see those. Little cock-a-doodle-doo. Had to get me some of those when I seen those. Supposed to be some big bangers. Got me 6 of those bad boys. There we go. Starting off the 2020 Stash Season Update. It's only the start. There'll be much more to come. As you already know. Might set some off tonight. You never know. Well, see you next time on another Stash Update of the 2020 Stash here from Gravity 184. So hope to see you next time.